Hi everyone, I'm about to show you a building around Temple University, which is located, actually the building is this 1808 North 18th Street. It is snow day in Philadelphia. Right now I'm on 18th Street and looking toward the north. The building is located at the intersection of 18 and Montgomery Avenue, and this building has 3 units inside. Units 1, 2, and 3. We have mailbox in here, and I'm getting inside right now. And when I open the door, it is very nice. And the bright hallway, you have a light here. You do have a smoke detector here and a fire station, and also very nice feature in the building. You have a rack to store a bike. The first unit is to our left, which is unit 1. Second unit will be on the second floor. We have same kind of storage on the second floor as well, and we have a bright light in the hallway. Smoke detector on every floor. A very nice stair, beautiful rails. So the next one is unit 3. And same as the others, you have smoke detectors, and actually you have a skyline where you can get a natural light here on this floor. Alright, this is what the outside of 1808 looks like. Shortly I will show you the inside parts of the units. I hope you like this. Thank you for watching.
All right, now we're going into unit 2. Deadbolt on the door, which is great. Okay, so extra safety as we enter. This is a hot water heater. Okay, it's used for some storage, but it's really just for the water heating system. It's a beautiful kitchen, stainless steel appliances, tons of storage space, deep and large sink, oven range combo, big windows. My fault. Let's open these so you can see what it really feels like in here. It's really a ton of natural light. Big high ceilings. Enough room for a couch and a little desk if you like. There's nothing behind here. Okay. The current tenants put a little TV there. And then as you go down is the hallway. This first door is your stackable washer and dryer. And then as you go back, the first thing on your left is your first bedroom. So again, nice room for a desk, some storage pieces. This is a big closet right there, okay? And then your bed. This could be arranged in any number of ways. You have a window here. It's a nice natural light, and it's quiet back here because it's off the street, the main street. Okay. So this is your closet. Again, large, wide, deep, and high. Okay. So this is a really nice bedroom. Okay, exiting. This is your heating and cooling system. So what's great about this is that you have central air and central heat throughout the unit. Okay, so it's cool and warm and very comfortable all year round. Okay, then last but not least is your 2 more bedrooms and the full bathroom. So in here, it's a really nice sized bedroom, single closet, room, huge room for a desk, and a nice window. Okay, a nice storage piece fits there. Show you the size of the closet. So nice for hang up, some storage underneath, and a shelf above. And then, as we go out, look at, again, super high ceilings, okay? The ceiling height in these units is wonderful. So as you enter, it's your first full bath. So a vanity, medicine cabinet, toilet, large stall shower, okay, with tile throughout the ceiling, beautiful tile on the floor. Just a really nice, recently got renovated apartment, okay? So it's basically brand new. Big windows. This is your 3rd bedroom now. It's really spacious in here. Large room for a bed, desk, big closet, big single closet, very deep, tall. Just super spacious and really nice. So show you this angle. So it's a great apartment, available based on when the listing says its availability, likely in the summer. Let us know if you're interested. It should be available ASAP, and you can come live with this guy here. So thanks for watching.